This is the brake lever assembly, and this is the master cylinder. You can separate the master cylinder. You have to use a 4 millimeters here and lose this clamp bolt, and also lose this with a 2 millimeters wrench. You lose this set screw here. So the master is loose here, but I have to disconnect this the tip of this rod from this barrel, and so you use the 2 millimeters Allen wrench, screw in until it gets out of this. Okay, you have to screw all the way. You see on the tip here of this rod, you have this. Here is where the Allen wrench will get in. So now it's loose here, it's loose here. I can separate them. So now we will assemble back. So what I do, I put the 2 millimeters Allen wrench through this hole, and I get the end of the rod here. I pull in line a little closer. I push the lever a little bit against that rod, so this will guide the Allen wrench will guide the tip of the rod through. And now I'm unscrewing this side or to the left, so you see it pulls the lever up, so engaging with the lever. When you see the tip of the rod getting close to the end here, stop there. Now you will push this in, and of course you will install on the handlebar, and then you will angle this in a way that will make sense there. And then once you angle, you will lock this set screw here. Don't tight too much, it's just so the set screw will get in this groove here and not let the master cylinder to be, because when you squeeze here, you push the master out, so that is what locks. And this clamp here will, don't tight too much, is enough to clamp it. Okay, so it will be stable there. This is the way you replace the master cylinder to the brake lever. And now of course you can, after you install, you can adjust this in or out, so you have enough travel, enough braking when you put the parking brake. So you have to adjust in or out to adjust the level of the lever, so you can get a good parking brake. This is the way you adjust the parking brake as well.